Hello everyone. Let me wish you a very happy and successful new year ahead for all of you. As you know friends, the clock is ticking for the Group 1, Telangana Group 1, much awaited Telangana Group 1 notification. So as of now, the available information says that the notification is likely sometime in March and April. It is tentative of course, as we are all knowing. So this is the time for you to start preparation for Group 1 in an exclusive Group 1. The point I want to say is that, if you earmark about 6 months, a success strategy and preparation plan can be worked out. Daily covering at least two subjects, a minimum of two now, after that you can make it three. And then if you are able to write tests along with the preparation or classes weekly, whatever you have studied, that should be written and tested. And finally, if you are devoting one day for revision of whatever you have read or whatever classes you have heard, so that will make you a very comprehensive and successful candidate for the Telangana Group 1 examination. See, generally what happens, you segmentize all the things, prelims, then mains, or first you read for prelims, then you come for mains, then writing practice is generally done at the end. But now that we don't have much time, so what I suggest is if you integrate your prelims come mains preparation as well as writing tests, both descriptive, that means for the mains as well as preliminary examination, and of course revision. Revision is a must. At least one day a week should be devoted for revision along with a continuous tab on current affairs. So I think this will give you a 6 months strategy for completing the syllabus. At my institute, we are starting the second batch of online coaching for Telangana Group 1 examination, TSPSC Group 1 examination. This will be an integrated batch for the prelims as well as mains. Of course, there will also be tests in this, which you will have to study, which you will have to write. So basically, if you see, friends, I want to give you some details about this. So friends, this is the second batch. The first batch has been announced and we have a successful start of the first batch on December 17th. So the second batch will be commencing from tomorrow, that is Jan 5th. And we have classes every day from Monday to Friday, and there will be tests conducted on every Saturday. Okay, so we have a updated material providing system where every week whatever classes that have been conducted the last 1 week, you tend to get material on the Sunday morning, every Sunday morning, so that you won't wait for the end of the session for the material. And of course this will be typed and it will not be the old one, it will be updated one. Then we have also current affairs. Every week we have current affairs session, that is the news this week. I will handle that current affairs analysis for you, which will help you to deal with the prelims as well as mains and of course the essay part. And friends, ours is a government recognized tax paying institution. And other points about the batch that is going to commence is we have weekly integrated tests. Every Saturday there will be a test for all the students and it will be a personalized explanation. Once you write, we'll explain the test to you personally. Of course, you write, scan and send to us. Then I will call you. Then you have the paper in front of you. I will tell you what are the improvements, what are the points to be added. And another important aspect is ours are live classes, live interactive classes. You can ask questions while the class is in progress. This is not recorded nor the old classes which are being recycled without any updation. We actually don't sell old recorded classes nor we will try to use them. Everything will be live for you. Okay. Then this batch is also exclusive English medium and we don't club batches, group 1, group 2, then civils, like that. Everything is exclusive because I believe a separate highly focused approach will give you the success, because orientation differs. Civils orientation is different, the questions are asked, the way the questions are asked is different. Group 2 is different, and of course group 1 is also exclusively different. So we don't club batches, and of course the faculty will be under my guidance, and we have very experienced faculty like Mr. Ratnakar sir and others. And friends, those of you who know me, it is fine. Otherwise, I also give a background of mine here. For those of you who don't know me, and I have been there for the last 22 years. I have been teaching, and I have a doctorate, and we try to help you in the most possible ways. Okay, so we are always with you, and friends, the batch commences. The first batch is running very successfully, and in fact, we have very good feedback from the students. Now that there are many requests for the second batch, we are starting that, and the fee details have been provided here. Okay, the fee is inclusive of GST, that is 25,000 will be the fee, 25,370. Actual fee is 21,500 for the 6 months integrated course, and GST will be at 18%, that is 3,870, and the total fee payable is 25,370 inclusive tests and current affairs classes. We are not charging anything for the tests. Okay, so friends, this is what I have to share with you. So this will be a very focused effort. It's a team effort from your side and my side. Friends, please don't delay it. Please start reading, and if you join us, definitely you will not be disappointed. We will provide you the best coaching, best material, as well as writing practice. In fact, we believe in conducting writing practice along with the classes. So by the time you complete at least 1 month or coaching, you would already know how to write. What are the main techniques you will understand, and daily there will be 3 subjects will be there classes. Initially, we are starting with we are starting with the economy paper, and of course, history paper will also be there, and essay will begin later, not immediately, but polity and geography will begin after next 2 weeks after the festival. So every day we will have 3 subjects, beginning with 2. Tomorrow onwards, we have economy and history, the Telangana history and other parts. Then of course the others will follow. So if you have any doubts, you are requested to call us and start reading. And it's a very good opportunity. I think the posts are also about 140 plus are there. That is the information that is available. So this is a good number, generally in group 1, including deputy collectors and others. So please do read, start reading right now, because otherwise you don't get time. Okay. Generally what happens in group 1, till the notification comes, people try for demand notification. Once the notification comes, there is no time, there will be demand for postponement at the examination. Let us not do that. Do writing practice, integrated writing practice and regular revision. That helps. And in the past exams also, including the group 1 of AP that has just got concluded, and also last year civils, our coaching and tests have helped students a lot. Okay, so thank you all. Wish you good luck, and what I promise is, if you join us, you will definitely be successful. We are not going to disappoint you. Okay, thank you very much.